They did have a problem at Midway before they had to go back to the States. They had problems. You're right.
My theory, what happened to the Escolar, they claimed they had mine. My theory is they lost the dive. The sub I was on, we had a man in a Ford, on the bow planes, froze on the bow planes. So I just got off watch, and the officer said full ride on the bow planes, and we started to go like this. We getting a real steep dive, and he yelled full rise on the bow planes. The next thing I know, we made 2 lurches. Boom, 45 degree, the next one is right straight down. When we got it straightened up, we was at 400 feet time to got back level. How far we went down with the bow, I do not know. There's no orders given because everybody's laying on the deck, which is right straight down, and a guy in the maneuver room put in an emergency reverse. And when they hit emergency reverse, this ship will shudder. I mean, it's got that much oomph. And when we got, like I say, leveled up, and people got on their feet with the 450 feet. So I still think that they had somebody in the bow planes froze or something. It happened so quiet. You cannot believe when you're doing, say, 15, 17 knots, you got a lot of speed, and once you get down a certain angle, there's no control anymore. It just goes boop, boop. Wow. And that does. And
so that experience, that happened on the Razorback, and you feel like that is a similar situation?
I think so, because, of course, Jim Vandermoor and Don Bennett poo-pooed it. There's a ha-da-ha-da. But Ed Moore, another sub vet, said it happened on the sub he was on. They damn near lost it. Once it gets out of control, it just goes right straight down. And if you're doing that kind of speed, it's only, you're talking seconds and you're down feet, lots of feet.
Sure.
And yes, it did happen. If you look at the log, it ain't going to be there. Somebody's going to write down they almost lost the submarine.
Right.
In fact, I think the captain that was here discussed it. He was on it. They damn near lost. It was just a couple months ago. What was his name? Doesn't matter, but he said he understood it. Oh yeah. I mean, it happened so fast. If the guy ain't doing it in the maneuvering room, you're lost. And we got a lot of good stuff to see.
Let's get going then.
Yeah.
Fascinating.